Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a TikTok link to Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, you need to open up TikTok in order to get the link. You can link any TikTok video you like to Snapchat. Open up the TikTok video you would like to link and tap on the share arrow from the right sidebar. Now you need to find the copy link option from the share to options. You may need to scroll a bit to the right to find it. Tap on it when you do to copy the video link. If you would like to share your TikTok profile to Snapchat, you can do that by tapping the Me icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. Now, on your profile page, tap on the three dots button in the top right corner to get to the settings. Tap on Share Profile. You now need to tap on Copy Link. You may have to swipe to the right to find it. Now you have your link copied, you can open up Snapchat and take a photo or video to add your link to. On the right menu bar of your photo or video, you need to tap on the paperclip icon to add the link. You can tap Allow at the top to show your recently copied links and then tap on them. Or you can paste your link directly into the search bar at the top and then tap Go. When the page you would like to link has loaded, you need to tap on the Attach to Snap button at the bottom of the page. Your link will now appear as a sticker on your photo or video. You can move it around by dragging it to wherever you like and stretch it or make it smaller by pinching it. Now you can just send your snap as usual or post it to your story. The link will be there for anyone to click on. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.